Tired of overpriced activewear that only goes up to a size large? Leggings that roll down faster than your windows on a hot summer day? Fed up by activewear that tries to ignore your curves instead of embracing them? Is your bra as unsupportive as your parents? Well, those days are over. Introducing Active Booty, an activewear line for every booty.
Bras that adjust to your bust.
Leggings you can actually run in.
Inclusive sizing, because guess what?
All women like to wear clothes.
All of this can be yours now. Just head on over to activebooty.com to find your perfect fit.
Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our customers have to say. Karen from Florida says,
I never felt like activewear was designed for me. With Active Booty, I have the perfect fit for such an amazing price.
Jan from Montana says,
Active Booty took my booty from sad to fab. I've never felt so confident.
there you have it. Real life testimonials from people who have absolutely no financial stake in this product. Active Booty for every booty.